You may have used this insult your entire life. Luddite. Someone who's afraid of technology, stuck in the past. That's not what it means. Not even close. Nottingham, 1811. The most skilled textile workers in England. 7 years to master their craft. Then the factory owners bought cheaper machines, operated by children. Wages cut in half, then cut again. They couldn't feed their children. They petitioned Parliament. Nothing. They couldn't vote, couldn't strike. Unions were illegal. On the 11th of March, 1811, they did the only thing they had left. They smashed the machines. They called themselves Luddites, followers of General Ned Ludd. His address, Sherwood Forest, same as Robin Hood. Except Ned Ludd didn't exist. They invented him. A phantom general to lead an army of starving men. They struck at night, masked, disciplined. Nothing written down, no trail left behind. They only destroyed the machines that were replacing them. Their sledgehammer was called Great Enoch, named after the blacksmith who'd built the hammer and the machines. Enoch made them, Enoch shall break them. Nottingham, Yorkshire, Lancashire. Their neighbours hid them. Nobody could catch them. The government sent 12,000 soldiers. More soldiers than Wellington took to fight Napoleon in 1808. Lord Byron used his very first speech in Parliament to defend them. Nobody listened. Parliament made machine breaking punishable by death. In Huddersfield, a cloth dresser named George Mellor decided to fight. He was 22. 7 years he'd trained. Every hour now. Worthless. He organized the Yorkshire Luddites. They attacked a mill near Huddersfield. The owner was waiting. The mill owner, William Horsfall, said he'd ride through Luddite blood. Mellor shot him. They arrested 64 men. Many had nothing to do with it. The jury was hand-picked from factory owners and landowners. 17 men were sentenced to hang. 25 transported to Australia. George Mellor, 22. William Thorpe, 23. Thomas Smith, 22. Not one of them betrayed a single name. They were hanged at York Castle, in their chains. 57 children left without fathers, for smashing a machine. The man who betrayed Mellor was promised £2,000. They never paid him. He died a beggar on the streets of London. The Luddites weren't afraid of technology. They were skilled men fighting to feed their families. And the word Luddite became an insult, written by the people who won. Next time someone calls you a Luddite, remember what it actually means. Help us to teach others what really happened in our history. Visit proudofus.co.uk to learn more. Be part of us. Be proud of us.